sign says welcome. We'll take care of your soul. In the churchyard are the false apostles with all the rotten fruit they show. Protective orders are in the paper. Talks all over town. How the Church of God Restoration brings whole families down. Oh, I thought I'd never, ever live to see the Church of God give out a divorce decree. Now they are destroying whole families, all because of a man's broke fantasy. Threats, phone calls, hidden secrets. False apostles are prowling round. All the abused and hurt children are afraid to make a sound. In the church, all the false apostles, with all the rotten fruit they show. Ain't it something how low a false call can go? Oh, they're sorting through what's left of you and me. And it's all because of Ray and Steve. Oh, I never thought I'd ever live to see the Church of God give out divorce decree. Well, honey, I wish you could wake up and see how this false cult has destroyed you and me.